What's going on, Mike Hobbs here, and in this review video, I'm going to be going over the Elgato Facecam. This is their flagship webcam. I know that they're coming out with a 4K version in the future, but this one does 1080p at 60 frames per second. And for a webcam, that's all you need, especially for streaming. In fact, I know a lot of people who have 4K cameras. This camera that you're watching me on right now is a 4K camera, but I lower it down to 1080p when I'm doing live streaming. So for streaming anyway, 1080p is the highest most people go. So this webcam right here is perfect for that. What's cool about a webcam is you can plug it right into your computer and it's ready to go. So I'm going to actually show you the software that this face cam comes with on my computer right now. So one unique thing that this webcam comes with, and you're actually seeing me on the webcam now, is it comes with this camera hub software, and it allows you to adjust the settings and save it to the device, which a lot of webcams, I couldn't figure out how to do that. So this made it really easy. I just plugged it right in, popped up the Camera Hub software. You might have to download this from the Elgato website. And then you just basically change any of the settings you want to change. If you want to zoom out or zoom into something, you can just do that right there. You can change the exposure. If I look a little overexposed, I can click that and manually change the exposure and turn it up, turn it down. Basically whatever ISO, shutter speed, whatever you want it to be. So if you don't want 1080p by 60, you can go to 1080p by 30, and then there's that. And then you can do the white balance. So if you have a white balance card, or you want to maybe just look too yellowish and you want to be brighter, you can turn that off and turn down the color temperature, turn up the color temperature. As you can see, totally ruined it there. But yeah, you can adjust the color temperature based on your lighting in your office, whatever that may be, whatever lights that you have. Or you can do it on auto, just let it do its thing, let the auto exposure. So that's a little too exposed, so I probably turn that down just a tad, just like that. Yeah, you have a lot of different options, which normally you'd have to have a DSLR camera to change the white balance, change the exposure, the ISO, shutter speed, all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of cool that this webcam just comes out of the box with all of these settings and everything good to go. So there you have it. That's the face cam from Elgato. I definitely highly recommend picking it up if you are a streamer or just want to record higher quality videos with a high quality webcam. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to learn how to earn a full-time income from home, go over to seekprosperity.com. I've been in this industry since 2007. I've seen what works, I've seen what doesn't work. And so I did my best to put together some of the best digital marketing resources that you can use to build any business or to earn a full-time income online. So go over to seekprosperity.com, make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.